First, remove the stock derby cover. It's a T26 Torx. 5 fasteners, get that out of the way. Loctite your fasteners. Quarter 20, 120 inch-pounds. Install the O-ring on the back side of the subplate. There's a notch at the top of the subplate for the window to clock itself. Install the subplate onto the primary with the 5 fasteners. Quarter 20, 120 inch-pounds. We're going to install the O-ring on the outside of the subplate where the window is going to fit. I'm going to put the window in place, hold it there while we install the bezel, torque the bezel, and we're done. And you can watch your clutch moving when you pull the lever in and out, and it also, when the engine is running, that whole mechanism in there is your clutch basket assembly will be spinning.